Neutral stance. About each other. Salute here. Fighting stance. Salute here. Break. Too close. Good. Trinity been here a while now, so he can fight too. He got strength. Ready? Fight. Not one punch, three. 3 punches in a kick. Combinate. Roll him over, on his back. Break. Alright, roll him on his back. Look, Chili. Roll him on his back. Both legs come up around the body. Pull him in. Pull his spine back against. Put his head back against his spine. Fighting stance. Rematch. You should get his head, sir. If you don't, and the helmet comes off. Bring knee up, block him out. Keep pulling his neck down harder. Harder. Break. All right, sir? Get a little kick. Fight. That was a pretty good sprawl, even though you probably didn't know what you were doing until you kicked those legs back, bro. Great. Punches and kicks, gentlemen. Punches and kicks. Good sportsmanship, sir. Fight. I know we fight hard here, man, but on the street, bro, it's going to be hard. That's why they don't invite us to a lot of tournaments, because of the way we fight, I know. That's why they're victims, too. Punches and kicks, gentlemen. I need 3 to 5. You guys just hold that one kick. If the kick comes out, throw some punches. If a punch comes out, throw some kicks after it. Combinate. Even if it's a knee thrown in. Well, kick after that, Joe. Put your hands up too, sir. Better. Much better. We're starting to combinate now. We're getting invisible now. Put some knees in it too. Not just one punch, sir. 3. 3 here, because in the street you can pop him in the eye and you probably got to get him with the one hitter or something like that, but right here we got to concentrate on throwing 3. So when you go 3, combinate. Now I know where these little things come from. I used to think that was my hair, man. Cool now. Hey, hey. Yeah, hey, yeah. Oh, you know, this is coming out in big chunks. Take vitamins. I don't know what's going on. then again, it might be one of their, they got some long hair, it might be one of their locks, huh? One good clash, gentlemen, we out of here. Clash means you're both throwing blows at the same time. Good, break. Neutral stance. Salute to each other. Salute here. Good battle. Shake hands.